Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Melissa here. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm doing an exciting video that I've been waiting for, and it is what is in my hospital bag. I just finished filming my what's in my baby's hospital bag / diaper bag. If you want to go ahead and check that out, I'll have it linked in the description below if it's available to view already, or when it becomes available to view and I upload it. But I am 37 weeks and a few days, and today at my appointment, my blood pressure was slightly elevated, so they're just keeping an eye on it. He might come in a little bit on his own, or I may end up being induced. So I have been stressing like crazy trying to get everything packed and ready. So I'm going to stop rambling and just show you guys what is in my hospital bag. So for starters, I have my lovely Boppy pillow, and so I'm bringing this to the hospital because I do plan on breastfeeding, and I heard this can help with breastfeeding, and that way I can just have the people, the nurses and all that, show me how to properly use it and position him on it to get the best latch and everything like that. So plus I've heard it's been helpful for some people to have their Boppy, so I want to bring my Boppy. Some other things that I'm bringing that I'm not necessarily showing would be my camera case. I am going to bring my camera. I'm going to try to vlog it or do a montage or something just to capture the experience of my birth. So that's that. I'm also bringing a snack bag just with a few little snacks like Pop-Tarts, some Oreos, chips, or something like that. Just so that way I have something to munch on after he's born. Let's say it's like 3 in the morning and I just want a snack. So I'm bringing a snack bag. So here is my hospital bag. It is very elaborate. But I bought this bag like years ago at Marshall's, and it has finally come in handy. And as soon as I thought about making a hospital bag, I thought of this bag. So we made it work. I'm just going to show you guys what is in here, what I've packed. And I am a first-time mom. I don't really know what to expect. I've watched a ton of these videos, and honestly, I'm just packing what I feel I would want and or need while I'm there. It has these front 2 pouches. So in one, I have this little coin pouch. In here I just have some bobby pins and some hair elastics, just so they're in one place and I know where they are. In this other pouch I have this little organizing thing, and I just have my prenatals, my magnesium, and my Walsum sleep pills. So my mom says they might not let me take my own meds and they might just give them to me, but I'd rather be safe than sorry and just have them. On this side pouch in here, I just have my face moisturizer because my skin is really dry since becoming pregnant, and so if I wash my face or my skin is super dry, I just want to be able to moisturize my face. And in this side pouch, I just have this Earth Mama herbal perineal spray. So it's supposed to be a soothing spray for down there, and so I've heard a lot of good things about it, and so I ordered it, and we'll see how it works. In this front zipper compartment, I just have headphones as well as a block, and I have a charger in my car, which I will then put in here when it's time. In this back zipper part, I have some tissues. I have my chapstick because I heard your lips get really dry, and so that is my favorite chapstick to use. I have some contact solution because I do wear contacts, as well as a brand new contact case, as well as some eye drops because you never know. And then the last thing I have is just some hand sanitizer. So these are not packed because they're just a little damp still and they can't go in the dryer, but they will be going in my bag. But I have 2 nursing tank tops They just have the clasp up here, and they're cinched at like under the boobs, and then they go out. And so they got a little lacy design in the back. But I have two of these. I have a gray and I have a black. These will be nice just to wear at the hospital or possibly for going home, because I'm not sure how I'm gonna be feeling. I just have this gray one, and then I have the same one in black. So they're just finishing drying. Now into the fun compartment. So there's two little pockets on the front. So in one I just have some breast pads, and then in the other I have two mini travel toothbrushes and toothpastes. One for me, one for my boyfriend. Then I have a hairbrush. This is a mini little Disney princess hairbrush. It's my niece's, but I claimed it and stole it from my hospital bag. Right on top, I just have a nightgown. I'm not gonna unwrap it because it's just a pain, but I got it from Target, and it's super nice, super soft, and so I have my nightgown. I have a bikini top. This is just one that ties because it's easiest, but I want to try and labor in the tub if possible, so I just have it just in case. Next, I have these pajamas. So these are just shorts, and then this is just a snap up top. So I figured it would be nice and comfortable to wear after, during, postpartum when I'm staying. It can button down so I can breastfeed, and it is so soft. It's literally like the best pair of PJs I've ever owned. So I have these because I really don't want to stay in a hospital gown. That's just me. Next, I have this lovely little t-shirt dress as a possible going home outfit, just in case I end up needing a C-section or I'm just super sore and don't really want to wear pants. I have this little dress as an option. I also have a pair of black maternity leggings just in case I do end up wearing pants. These will be nice and comfy. I can wear them with the tank tops. I could wear them under the dress if need be. So I have these. I also have a pair of fuzzy socks and a pair of regular socks because sometimes I get cold, and sometimes I want fuzzy socks, sometimes I hate fuzzy socks and I want regular socks. So I have these. I have two nursing bras. So I got these off of Amazon, and these are kind of like sleeping bras. So they're like a sports bra type, and you just pull it down to expose the boob, and then you feed your baby. And so these I tried on, and they're really comfortable, and there is room for when my supply comes in. If I get bigger, then there's room for them to grow. Then digging deep into here, I do have some pads. I have 5, just because I can be kind of picky sometimes, and so I'd rather just bring my own just in case I don't like the ones at the hospital supplies. And then the same with, I have some diapers for me, not the baby. Just because I hear sometimes they give like mesh underwear, and like I don't know what I'm going to be comfortable with. I don't know how bad I'm going to bleed. I don't know what I'm going to like. So I brought these. I brought my own. Next, I have this little gem. So it comes in this little bag, and it's I think this is by, Frida. This is a little like bottle to like cleanse. And so if you don't know, maybe you do, but you can't really wipe down there afterwards, or so I've been told. So that just helps to clean your lady bits. As it says, trust us, your vagina will thank you. And then I just have my postpartum garment because if I can fit into it, if I want to wear it. And then the last 2 things I have are my toiletry bags. So this right here is my makeup bag. I'm not going to take it out, but I just have simple things like concealer, powder, eyebrows, basically what I use to create this look. Just very simple, natural, just to have something on. And then this is my toiletry bag. So in here I just have a little mini dry shampoo, just in case my hair is looking a little oily. I have a mini gel deodorant. I like gel deodorants. That's just me. Got some Q-tips. I have a mini loofah. I have 4 of these little mini Neutrogena makeup wipes. These are really cool because they're just individually wrapped, so you don't got to worry about bringing a huge bag of them. And then I have shampoo and conditioner, body wash, and a face wash. I almost forgot. I'm bringing this bag to the hospital as well. This is just a pink bag, but in here I just have a blanket because I get cold very easily sometimes, and so this is a brand new fluffy blanket. I'm bringing this little basket, also from Pink, just for like dirty baby clothes or socks or whatever, just things that I can put in here so it doesn't touch anything else. I am bringing a towel because I've heard that hospital towels sometimes are not the greatest, so bringing my own towel. And then I'm bringing these shoes for going home if I can fit into them. If not, then I guess I'll just wear the flip-flops that I've been wearing for months now. My camera case will also most likely be in here as well, so there's that. And that is everything that is in my hospital bag that I'm bringing to the hospital. So hopefully Caden decides to come soon, or I get induced, but either way, my due date's in like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, so he will be here before we know it, and I cannot be more excited. A little scared, but excited. So make sure you guys subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!